Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. For today's card, I'm featuring the new Bubble Over Bundle. This is the Bubble Over stamp set and the Bottles and Bubbles framelit dies. If you buy them together, you'll save 10%. And they are on page 32 of the brand new occasions catalog. So I have stamped here in Pear Pizzazz on just a piece of plain Whisper white cardstock, the thin stuff, or layering paper as some people may call it. And I am using a piercing mat so that I get full coverage on that very solid stamp. I'm coming in now with Lemon Lime Twist. And I'm stamping the, it's like a hexagon-y type looking thing. It's to go on the bottle. And it says, have a birthday brew. So this is a decidedly masculine card. So my masculine cards, I don't think I specialize in them. I definitely, oh, and I'm stamping another one because I made a foo-foo on the first one. Okay, so my masculine cards are simple and plain. The guys in my life actually prefer that. They don't want a lot of extra, you know, sparkles or sequins or what have you. So I don't do this enough, but I don't stamp on cardstock very often. So I stamped with Sahara Sand, and that is a Sahara Sand card base as well. And I just put rings all over the card front. Now I'm using the framelits. And look at these little things. These are bottle caps. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Oh my gosh. So ran that through the Big Shot. Put dimensionals on the back of the Have a Birthday Brew and also the plain one. I don't know what I'm going to do with the plain one yet. So just a little drop of Tombow on the very top of my bottles, and I will use my crazy expensive Crystal Katana picker-upper thing and attach my bottle caps to it. They're so cute. So here I'm doing a close-up of this. These are glitter and clear epoxy shapes, and they look like little droplets. Goes perfectly on, you know, when you have a cold beer or Coke or what, cider in my case, and it's hot outside and the bottles are cold, they get those little droplets. So there is some very small amounts of glitter in one page, and the other page is just clear. But then, because you can't leave well enough alone, and you know how much I love my Wink of Stella, I decided to make those green bottles even more stunningly shiny like glass. That was my theory anyway, and really it's just that I have an addiction to Wink of Stella and all things that sparkle. So raise your hand if you're with me. All right, so I've just used that on my bottles. So these are Action Wobbles, Mini Action Springs by Hampton Art. I've had them in my stash for a very long time, so I actually do not remember where I got them. And I know someone's going to ask me in the comments below, would just put a link. I don't know. It maybe online, maybe in a craft store. I honestly cannot remember. So yeah, they're by Hampton Art. They're called Mini Action Springs, Action Wobbles. And basically this is going to make my beers clink, which, you know, guys don't mind interactive cards as long as they're cool. So I placed them where I kind of thought I would want them, and then I moved them a little bit. You know, placement is perfect when you've got something like this little action wobbler. And this is how they work. See, they're clinking. Cheers. And they actually compress pretty well in an envelope. So then I thought that was a little plain. So I went in with some circles from the Glitter and Clear Epoxy Shapes packet and just put 3 you know, random things on that second bottle. And then also put some more rings along the card base. And then I added one more bit of bubble. And that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.